Hi boys, here we are at Nana's house. Today is Saturday, June 25th, 2011, and you found Nana's piano. Here we are in Michigan, and you found Nana's piano, and you figured out how to play the piano. What are you guys playing? All right. You having fun? Okay, last song.
Guys, what are you playing?
What are you guys playing? Piano, yeah.
What song are you playing?
All right.
Good
Say
teamwork.
bye-bye.
Yeah, give me
Yeah. Okay, go ahead. Here we are at Anthony's graduation party. Okay, Steven. Hey guys, say hi. We're at Anthony's graduation party.
Dude, don't not video them. It's about us. Mostly about me, Corbin, and Steven.
What are you gonna do, Michael?
Superman.
Steven, you gonna go down the slide?
One out. I caught it. You see that catch?
Okay, playing soccer at Uncle Sue and Uncle Carl's and CC Sue's house for Christina, Leanna, and Bettina's graduations from high school and college. Steven just hit a ball, is on first base, and is going up to kick another one. And here he goes, and it's a kick, and Dad fumbled, trying to recover, and there's Cousin Richie and Michael and Dad.
It means there's a ghost man on first, second, and third with one out.
And there's the pitch, and here it goes, and there's the kick, and oh, Richie does the block.
Now be safe. 5-1. What you want to do is get the ball and step on second as fast as you can, okay?
And let's go, here's the pitch. And there's the kick. Uh-oh, looks like a grand slam, and here comes Steven.
Uh-oh.
Oh, ooh. Okay.
Hey guys.
Yours. See how far you get it.
We're videotaping in the Ford Museum, not too far.
Okay. Watch mine.
Hey, Zach.
Watch out.
Watch what happens.
And there's little Richie and Michael, Steven, and
Mike,
Zach.
Right on that
Watch what
22.
happens
Here it
when you
goes.
throw this. Like
Oh, good throw. Oh, Richie, wrong way. Oh, and here's Mom. It's a dud. It's a dud. Come on, Michael. Come on, Steven. Let's see it. Come on, boys. Oh, good one. That almost hit Daddy.
22.
Come on, Michael. Come on, Michael. Ooh, dud.
Oh, I
Alright, Mom, you gonna try again?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it again. Ooh, good throw, Michael. Alright, let's see that throw again. Ready? And the problem was the takeoff.
Alright, here it is.
And it's revving up its engine. The throttles. And here comes the throttle in.
Woo!
Okay, that was pretty good. Okay, Richie's turn.
Starting to go.
And it's blast off.
The army jet.
Oh,
Alright.
wow,
Good
Richie,
throw.
awesome.
Whoa, that was your dad.
Steven's got caught.
Ah.
Came from my baseball.
Okay. Hey, today's 4th of July, 2011. And this is our last couple hours here in Michigan, and we're going to take a little golf cart ride. Go for it.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Start going. Oh my gosh.
All right. How cool is that?
No.
Okay.